Caboodles, the inventor and leader of on-the-go cosmetic organization since 1987. Caboodles Neat Freak Makeup Organizer. The perfect cosmetic travel kit to hold all your cosmetic accessories, brushes, hairspray and more. Spacious interior storage with 6 cantilever trays, locking latch with keys for secure no-spill storage. Great for cosmetic organization, craft organization, paint organization, small accessory organization, toy organization. Size: 8.375 x 11.5 by 9.375, color, social butterfly print. 6 cantilever trays and spacious interior storage transform a silver-framed train case with butterfly print into a cosmetics organizer's dream. Caboodles Social Butterfly Medium Neat Freak Train Case enables you to maintain your social status as well as your sanity by providing everything you need to organize makeup, hair care products, and more inside a locked carrying case. Top reviews from the United States. OMG, love it. Finally found the perfect case to store all of my nail polish. It is way more sturdy than the other cases that are made to store nail polish. I have at least 30 bottles and all of the fun stuff like stamping plates and stickers, and this is big enough for all of it. We have 4 girls in the house, so doing nails together is a fun thing for us. Oh, I also love that it's see-through. Super fun to see all the fun colors of nail polish.